Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Instacart Shopper, Delivery Partner, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Instacart Shopper is a delivery and shopping app that allows individuals to earn money by shopping for and delivering groceries to customers. Available on both iOS and Android, it connects shoppers with nearby orders placed through the main Instacart app. Users can view available batches, accept orders, shop for items in local stores, and deliver them to customers' doors, all managed directly through the app. The app's main feature is its flexible earning system. You can choose your own hours, work as much or as little as you like, and instantly see your potential earnings before accepting an order. The app also provides step-by-step navigation for deliveries, product scanning for accuracy, and instant payment options for completed batches. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many shoppers appreciate its flexibility, clear earnings breakdown, and supportive customer interface. It's particularly appealing for part-time workers or those seeking gig-based income. The app's map navigation and product barcode scanner help make the process efficient, and instant cash-out features add convenience for daily earners. However, there are some drawbacks. Earnings can fluctuate depending on location, order demand, and tip amounts. Some users report long waiting times between batches, app glitches during checkout, or delays in payment processing. Additionally, heavy shopping loads or last-minute order changes can make some deliveries time-consuming and physically demanding. In summary, the Instacart Shopper app may be worth using if you want flexible, on-demand work, instant earnings, and a straightforward system for grocery shopping and delivery. However, if you prefer consistent income or want to avoid the unpredictable nature of gig work, it might not be ideal for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.